You don't have 15 years to figure this out. You've got 3 months, 6 max, before your manager labels you average. And once that happens, you're done. You'll be fighting an uphill battle just to keep your job, let alone get promoted. And this is why most SDRs never make it to AE. But what if you could skip all the BS and steal the best lessons that took me 15 years to learn the hard way? That's what this video is. No fluff, just raw battle-tested strategies to fast-track your career before it's too late. My name's Neil. I'm your SaaS sales misfit coach. I have over 15 years in sales as an SDR, an AE, a sales leader, including 5 years as a sales trainer. And I help SDRs smash quota and get promoted to AE as fast as possible. Now, a lot of you are asking if I have a course. I do not. I have reopened slots for one-on-one coaching. There's only a few. First come, first serve. So if you're serious, hit the link below and book your free 10-minute consult. See if I can help you. Links below. Don't wait. Here's the problem why most SDRs fail. Hard work doesn't get you promoted. It gets you burned out. I've seen sales reps grind 10-hour days, make $100 a day, and still get fired. Why? Because no one teaches them to think like a closer. They're stuck in activity hell, just trying to survive the dashboard. Promotions don't go to survivors. They go to reps who generate trust, pipeline, and urgency. And if you're not doing that by month 3, you're already behind. And the scariest part, you won't even realize until it's too late. Your Slack messages start getting ignored. Your leads feel colder. Your confidence tanks. You don't need more effort. You need a system. Here's what I drill into my own head. If I could go back to day 1 as an SDR, stop pitching, start diagnosing. Bad reps sell features. Top reps identify problems fast. Don't say, we help teams streamline workflows. Say, how are you currently losing money due to problem X? Be the rep who finds leaks, not the one who talks about tools. Master the power intro. The first 10 seconds of your call decide your fate. Pattern interrupt plus promise plus permission. Example. Hey, Jake, I know you weren't expecting this. I'll be super brief. I help SaaS teams like yours fix the one part of their outbound that always leaks meetings. Mind if I ask you a quick question? That opener books meetings, period. Number 3, simplify your call framework. You don't need 10 talk tracks. You need one system that you can run in your sleep. Open, hook, probe, close. That's it. Here's a quick breakdown. Open, grab attention. Hook, give a reason to listen. Probe, uncover pain or resistance. Close, ask for action. Call, meeting, referral, something. Repeat until it's second nature. Number 4, follow-up equals your secret weapon. Most SDRs give up after 1 or 2 follow-ups. Fact. That's why they stay SDRs. I once booked a meeting after 14 touch points. Why? Because every follow-up had value, not just checking in BS. Saw your post about hiring. Curious how your outbound supports that. Or here's a quick video showing how we fix this for competitor X. Be relevant, be persistent, be a weapon. Number 5, steal confidence until it's yours. Early on, you won't have swagger, so steal mine. Use this mindset before every call. I'm not here to beg. I'm here to solve a problem. And if they don't see that, they lose. Say it out loud. Walk around. Get in your body. You show up with that energy and people will feel it. I coached this one rep, James. He was this close to quitting. Under target, no pipeline, quiet on calls. He was doing everything right, but nothing landed. We fixed one thing, his follow-up game. I gave him a framework and a few lines. Within 3 weeks, he booked 8 meetings from old leads that he thought were dead. Today, he's an AE at the same company, top performer. All because he stopped sounding like a robot and started acting like a pro. Guys, here's the lesson. Number 1, you don't need to be the best. Just be consistent with the right stuff. Stop changing your script every day. Find what works and hammer it. Number 2, follow-up is not optional. It's not annoying, it's necessary. Your prospect is busy, not rude. Stay in their world, be helpful, be memorable. Number 3, mindset plus skill set equals promotion. You can't grind your way to the AE role. You need frameworks. You need confidence. You need coaching. And if you're serious, I can help you get there. Guys, if I had known this one follow-up trick earlier, I would have become a fully fledged AE in 6 months. No question. And the best part? It's something you can start doing today. No extra tools, no manager permission, no excuses. I break it all down in the next video. I would have become an AE in 6 months if I knew this follow-up trick. Watch it now. This move will change everything.